So I just got home from taking Jackson to soccer practice, and these little stinkers told me that they can do burnouts in the garden now. Actually, no, they said not burnouts. They're called, or no, they said donuts. They're gonna do donuts in the garden. And they said, no, not donuts. They're called soft burnouts. I don't know where they come up with this stuff. Oh my gosh. And then Daddy bought them, or made them a little jump there. I think Dad's trying to prep them for racing like he did when he was younger. This is how we are starting our morning, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. They are obsessed with these new four-wheelers, and Daddy made a spot there and then a little jump here for them. Mama gets scared when they're on these, but Daddy used to race them, so I mean, it's in their blood, I guess. Just gotta teach them safety, 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 and do lots of praying. Today is an exciting day. The boys get to meet their kindergarten teachers. We gotta be up there at 4 o'clock today, and they are in different classes. So they only have 2 kindergarten classes, and they're each in one of them. So, last year in pre-K they were together, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I do feel like it'll be good for them, and maybe they'll appreciate each other a little more when they get home from school, since they won't be seeing each other all day. But yeah, so school starts in 5 days, so they'll meet their teachers and pick all their supplies today, and then just wait for school to start.
But I had to step on one.
You stepped on a tomato?
Yeah, because
that
it
one
was old.
Oh, not those though.
But this was cracked.
Oh, careful.
This was cracked.
That one's cracked. All right, just go put it in there on the counter. No, don't throw it. Just go put it on the counter.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, what?
I almost broke my four-wheel.
You almost broke your four-wheeler?
Yeah, when I was going fast and the kid comes up and hit me in a vehicle. A little bit now and then it hurt.
Oh, man. Didn't hurt because you're brave?
Did it hurt a little bit? Well, I don't care.
You don't care? You got some sweaty hair from your helmet.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to race four-wheelers like Daddy did when he was little? Are you going to race them, or are you just going to ride?
I race dirt bikes and four-wheelers.
Dirt bikes and four-wheelers? Oh,
Which one do you like more, Mom?
I like...
Dirt bikes or four-wheelers?
I don't like either one of them.
No,
They're dangerous to me.
No, I go fast again.
If you're going to pick one, probably a four-wheeler.
Nope, dirt bikes.
No.
Dirt bikes.
Here comes the dirt. What's Daddy going to make with that dirt?
Racetrack.
A racetrack? Oh, fun. There goes some dirt.
Are we gonna get more?
I think this is just truckload number 1. I think Daddy said 3 or 4 truckloads
Cool.
for your motocross track. to be my nice planted grass yard. But I guess the boys take precedence over Mama. Goodness. Allie just told me to come on the deck. Shh, my husband is trying out the track. Oh my gosh. Who's excited?
Not me, actually.
Not you. Go meet our teachers.
Where's Christian?
I don't know where Christian and Claire Bear are.
A lot more stuff in here, isn't there? Yeah. You want to come here and I'll take stuff out of your backpack? You are sharing with our friend Jasmine, okay? And I'm going to put all of this out.
Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Did you get to pick a prize? Wow, what do you say?
Here, you get to keep that too.
You don't get to pick one, Bubba. You're in the other class.
You will get a treat over there. So you better cubby.
Where's your cubby?
Boys, who is this lady?
Miss Sue, we just saw her, didn't we? Go find your cubby.
Just long time.
Yay!
Where's Snowy?
What kind are you going to get?
Daddy's gonna have to.
Daddy has to get a haircut. Mommy has to go to Target. Okay, so we just left open house, meet the teachers, and I made little, I bought these little sayings for back to school open house for the teachers off Etsy, and it basically just says, you know, all this planning and meeting people that you're gonna be tired, so dinner's on us type thing. And then I bought them a gift certificate to our local restaurant so they could maybe grab dinner after it's all over. So we gave it to each of the boys' teachers because they're in different classes. And then I also got an extra one for the boys' preschool teacher from last year because I just adore her so much. And when we went in to give it to her, I just lost it, like started bawling tears. And I did not expect that at all. She will forever hold a special place in my heart. I don't know if it's just because it was the boys' first teacher, aside from the fact that she's great. And then I subbed a lot with her. When I subbed last year, I subbed for her class. So I don't know if that's why I got so emotional. I don't know. That, and I think I'm just so used to her and the boys being with her and me knowing that they're safe, which I know they're going to be safe with their teachers they have this year. But I don't know, I don't like change. So seeing her, I just lost it. But yeah, so now I'm on my way to Target. I ordered some masks for the boys. They do not, as of now, have to wear masks at school, but they do have to wear them on the bus. And so I got some extra ones. And then I just got some snack stuff for their lunches. And I actually got them some Lunchables because Target is having right now, I don't know if it's every Target, but our Target is if you buy 5, you get 5 free. So I was able to get 10 of those. So it'll be a good start for their lunches. They go back and forth on whether or not they want to take their lunch or eat school lunch. So at least we'll be prepared in case they decide to take it. But yep, 5 more days to go and they will be my big kindergartners. Good job, babe. That looks really good. Oh, he's not going up the side of the... Did you show them how to do that on the side?
Yeah.